Hi guys, at may bata ngang naglalambing sa akin at gusto niyang maglaro dito sa play area. At dahil nga naglalambing siya, kaya ito, pagbibigyan natin, ano lang naman yung 30 minutes. Pero kapag nag-enjoy naman siya, pwede naman natin i-extend. So let's go! Family house yan.
Please be reminded that eating inside the playroom area is strictly not allowed to maintain cleanliness and safe environment. Thank you for your kind understanding and cooperation.
Ay wow! Tutulog na sila sa bahay nila. Ganito kasing mga moments guys, nung bata pa ako, never kong naranasan ito. Dahil nga sa kahirapan ng buhay. Kaya ito, ipaparanas namin sa aming mga anak ngayon. Kung kaya. Pero kakayanin. Kasi siyempre, kapag mga ganyang play area, ay may kamahalan din yung bayad. Pero kakayanin para sa kanila. At maranasan naman nila yung mga hindi namin naranasan noon nung mga bata pa kami. Yung mga pinapangarap mo na mga simpleng laruan, simpleng damit, hindi mo naranasan. Kaya ngayon na kami na ang may mga anak, so ipaparanas namin sa kanila para hindi nila maranasan yung mga dinanas namin noon.
Now I'm gonna sit them here. And this is me. This is me.
It's you.
Yeah. and this is my mom. She
Nice.
and my grandpa.
Ano is that? Grandma.
Yeah.
And where's daddy? Where's daddy?
This is brother, my brother.
Ah, that is your brother.
Yeah, it's next to yeah.
Ay.
Oopsie! This. Mommy, come! I'm gonna make ice cream!
Where?
Wow, what do you want to order?
Can I buy ice cream?
What? What flavor?
I want strawberry and mango.
I'm sorry, it can't.
Ha? Ha?
Tingnan mo. Pag nilagay mo daw wala.
Ah. Oh. So, can I have this? And chocolate? Wow, I like it.
Here, miss.
Ay,
Oopsie!
it's falling.
See, if you put all, just pick one.
Okay. Change it. I want this and
No,
This one.
not two, not two.
only one. Oh, okay, only one.
Because if you put two, it will fall.
Thank you. Ubus na.
So fun. Do you like berries?
Hmm?
Do you want berries?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have berry?
Okay. Do you need something? I
Wow, it's a patty. It's what is that called? It's
Here go.
anong tawag doon nga? Anong tawag sa pagkain na to?
Wait, that
Shawarma. It's shawarma.
warmer.
Yeah.
Can I go eat it?
I'm full now. I'm full.
Okay.
Wow.
Then I know on.
There's lot of ingredients for shawarma.
Yeah, you can make something.
Yeah, it's like it. I like it.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Can we go to the vegetable?
Okay.
Here, the vegetable area.
I don't want to.
I want to buy...
Wait, you forgot something.
What? Oh, we're doing... Oh, arrange it now here. Oh. The carrots is for the carrots.
Oh.
Belongs to the carrots.
I want to play there. Where's the yellow?
Yeah!
Look here. Just look at the yellow one.
Ay! Ang cute naman. Look at your face.